KG Auto. I live in Brooklyn. If your car break down, you know to call. If your car break down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, good afternoon, viewer. KG Auto. I'm right behind the camera. As you can see, there's a lot of snow in New York. What's today's day? 23 or something. Yeah, a lot of snow in New York. We are the storm. But thank God we can still move around. People need their work to be done. That's why KG is out today. The snow fell started on Saturday, on Sunday to Monday, and now we're digging out. But I have my place cleaned up, ready to work. So we have a 2009 years Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a V6. Apparently the car died out on the owner. He towed the car to me on Saturday, and I left the car there because there's nothing I can do because I have a lot of job. But I went and get to check it. The starter is bad. Unfortunately, I couldn't show that while I was diagnosing the car, but the starter is bad. So we bought this one here. I call it Pure Energy. I didn't buy that. Please don't hold me to it. So when people buy stuff for their car, they need me to install it. I'm just an errand boy. Don't kill the messenger. So that's what I'm doing. So the first thing you do, make sure you disconnect the battery. As you can see, the terminal is bad. I told him, so I'll be changing this terminal as well. The two terminals, they're bad. Let's see. Really bad. So I'm going to replacing that. But what we're doing now is a starter. So the starter is underneath the car there. It has two bolts. I'm going to bring you guys along and show you how we're going to do this. Let me bring out the new starter and show you guys so that you understand what we're going to be doing right at the bottom there. So this is the starter. Sorry, nobody is here to do this with me. I'm the cameraman, I'm the working man, I'm the one doing everything. So this is the starter, as you can see. So there is this long stud bolt. That one is going to be on top. There's going to be another bolt at the bottom here. So this one is like a stud. Sometimes when you lose it, it comes out with the nuts. You know, maybe I might have to reuse the old one because I didn't see no nuts on this one. So anyway, that's the new starter there, refurbished, whatever. So you see what they said there. One, you do not strike it with a hammer. Boom. You don't want that. So let me bring you guys underneath and show you where the starter is located and how we're gonna get to do this. KG, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. So I'm underneath the car, as you can see. That's the starter right here. So you got these two bolts. See, one is right here, ready to break it loose. And the other one that I was telling you about, a stud, is right in here, ready broken it loose too. Because we're walking in the snow. I didn't want to waste no time showing this video. See, it comes out with a stud. See right there. So I'm just going to put an oil on this and reuse it. The reason why, there's a nut here, which if you're trying to take it off, might be all day stuff. So I'm just going to thread this one in, run it with a, WD-40. Then you come up here, you lose this one, just like so. It's two bolts. Now you're going to come here now. Please bear with me. Like I said, it's just me alone. So there's going to be a pin. See right there? A pin coming right here. Just like so. Then there's going to be a nut right over here. I don't know if you can see that. See my hand there, no? Yeah, there's going to be a nut there. Once you take all of that off, then you can drag the starter off. See if the starter will be able to come out. Okay, here we go. Just like so. Grab the starter. Bring the starter out. So this pin right here and this one right here coming from the battery, That's it. Just take off that boom, 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 bada boom. It's out. So let's go on top now, run that and bring it up. So like I was saying before, what I intend to do is to take off this stud from here. The reason why, there's no nut that comes with it. So I'm going to take this off. Just take it off completely. I will use the old one because I don't want to bother take off that nut. It might be crazy trying to take off that nut. So what I would do, I'll bring a WD-40. I'll spray some over here, just like so. Then I'll be able to reuse that. Just do the same as well over here. You know, let me get the WD-40. Nice and easy, not all over the starter. Spray it over there and spray it over there. Then I will not I'll not use my power gun when I'm back there. See, just like so, beautiful. So you don't have to trouble yourself trying to take off that nut. Beautiful. Then we'll do the same as well on this one. Beautiful. And take it back out. That's pretty much it. So we'll go underneath there and put the starter in. And tie the starter just like so. So I can take off this. I don't need this one. So the pin that was supposed to go in here is supposed to be like there's a plastic that's supposed to go in there with the pin, so it's broken, so they're just tucking it like that. You guys saw it at the bottom. I will show it to you one more time. All right, let me stop this thing and then we'll go back underneath and then take care of business. Oh, this is what I was explaining. As you can see, this is supposed to have like have a plastic covering it, the pin that you can press and take out this. But somebody I've already worked here before, so I believe when they were doing it, they broke it or something. I don't know. So that's why this is like this. So there's nothing I can do. So I just go ahead and put it in, just like the way I saw it. I'm sorry, KG, that was the best I can do. Alright. So as you can see, starter is back there now. So that boat that I was telling you about, it's a little too cold, you know, so I couldn't hold the camera and working at the same time. And the other one is up there. So you can see, everything is down there. And the pin that I was talking about. So over here, so you guys can see that pin right there. Let's see if I can get here. See? It don't really look good that much, but that's the best that I can do. So you just tie the 13 and that's pretty much it. It's not a hard job like that. Anybody can do it. Snug everything down, and I'll put the battery head and the car will be ready to start. Everything work well. KG, so please subscribe and support your boy in any way you can. I mean, with the snow on the ground. Subscribe and support your boy and like the video as well. I'll see you in my next one. KG. Peace. I am gone.